Good morning. You guys know what this pink envelope means. I hope you do. If you don't, that means you need to watch some more of my videos because every month I get one of these and it's an Ipsy unboxing or unbagging. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. So Ipsy, if you go to Ipsy.com, you can subscribe, and I don't know if it's just the US, I'm not sure, but you can subscribe, and monthly you will get a makeup bag and 5 surprise things, and you can put your information in. It'll ask you some questions, so it'll customize it a little bit toward you, but they are usually 5 sample size goodies and a lovely makeup bag that you can use for lots of things. It holds pins, it can hold knitting supplies, it can hold some scrapbooking stuff, some planner supplies, whatever you want to use it for. This one has a really cute tab and the zipper pull and the cute little eyelashes. And then it has this on the bottom, super cute. And I even like the zipper. And I just noticed that the inside is pink. And this says, "Rules were made to be broken." So I have a little thing and it says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Ipsy, September 2018. So let's see what we have. First thing is, a makeup brush. This is a detailed tapered blender from Luxie, and it's number 140. And you can see that it is tapered. Feels very nice. I like it. Very nice. It's a very wide brush. Yeah, I haven't used one like this, so that'll be kind of fun to try. It's a blender. It's very nice. It feels super soft. I'm going to leave it in here just because I don't know how long it's, to be quite honest, I'm not sure how long it's going to be before I get to use that, just because I don't really need it. So I don't know. Let's see. Thank Me Later Face Primer Mattifying. Doesn't really say much, but I'm sure you just put this on before your makeup. I think it's hilarious that it's called Thank Me Later. That's kind of cute. I wonder how much later, like years later when you don't have wrinkles, or just later in the day when your makeup stays on, or both. This is, I don't know what, Brazilian Bod Buff. Soothing scrub and mask for Touch Me Now Brazilian Babe Skin. Well, if I can look like some of those women that I see in magazines, then I'm going to scrub this all over my body. Use as a scrub on wet skin or apply as a body mask on dry skin, waiting 10 minutes before rinsing off. I bet it has a cover on it. Yes, it does, but I'm going to take it off so we can smell it. I envision it smelling like coconut or something. Oh, goodness. Yes, and it does. It kind of smells like suntan lotion, a little bit. A really nice suntan lotion. It's not really suntan lotion. It's more, and it looks like they give you enough for probably one use because it's whoa, pretty far down in there. Oh my gosh, look, this whole back end just totally ripped open. Okay, I am going to put the lid on this. All right, look at that. That didn't get sealed at all. It does smell good though. Let me get a piece of tape. Goodness, my glasses case is covering my tape and I couldn't peel it off. Okay, I know that this isn't going to hold it shut, but at least hopefully it will save it from drying out. And I'm going to have to use this rather soon, aren't I? I'm not going to blame that on the company. I'm sure that it just didn't get sealed, you know? Accidents happen. I mean, it looks sealed, but and it probably passed any sort of test because it was kind of closed, but then when I tried to squirt it, it popped open. You guys saw, you were here. But I mean, that looks kind of neat. I will try that for sure. And this one says M Princess Pretty Petal Eyeshadow, and it looks like it's in a pink color. And this says that it's a sample size, but I don't know. This powdered, oh, it has tape on it. Powdered eyeshadow seems to last forever. At least it does for me, and I have a ton of it. I need to do a lot of purging with my makeup. Doesn't mean that I will, but I need to. Now this one is signed, sealed, and delivered. All of this so I can show you guys what it looks like. See how much I like you? Not that I wouldn't have to open it anyway, but I'm just being sassy. Okay. Well, Pretty Petal. I love the shine. My fingernail's a little too long. Oh, so it's a really light color. I'm gonna try to just put some on here, so maybe it will. So you can see the color probably. Oh, there, that's better. Oh, I like it a lot. I actually really do like that. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. And then it blends well, or at least, you know, kind of spreads out well if you want it to. We'll say blends. Healing Turmeric Mask for all skin types. Detoxify and clear pores with this effective yet lightweight mask. Two of the most powerful naturally disinfecting bactericides, turmeric and neem extracts, will get the root of pimples to minimize inflammation and heal the skin. All right, and it says azelaic acid acts to remove dead skin cells. Ugh, that sounds nasty, and I'm sure this has a cover on it. And turmeric stains everything it touches, so I'm not even going to open that one. You're just going to have to imagine that it smells probably a little bit like turmeric, which isn't a bad smell, and I've heard that turmeric is awesome for you, so this might be really, really good, but man, I'm not going to open it until I'm in the bathtub. Is that everything? Oh, just, this is like silky and, not silky, but like waterproofy feeling, so it felt like there was something else in there, but that's fine. So that's what I got. That's what I got. This and this and this and this and this. Woo! And I like it all. I think my favorites though might be the brush, because I love the brush, and I love, this is my favorite, the eyeshadow for sure. And we'll see about everything else. I mean, I like face primer and stuff. Sometimes I have to say, like, the little samples are sometimes a pain in the butt, because you start to like something and then you're out, and then you find that, you know, it retails for $85 and I'm not going to spend that much. So I don't know, but it's fun because I wouldn't have ever tried it before, and I had it for a little bit, so I don't mind. It's just sometimes I get a little bit a little salty maybe. And then I also like to take these, like, if I'm going on trips, which I do have a couple coming up before the end of the year. I mean, not coming up, but the end of the year will be here before you know it. So I might take this. I might just leave it in that, but I am going to use this soon because I don't want that to dry out. And then I don't know about this. I have so many masks, but I love them, so I need to just be diligent and consistent in using them. So that's what I got. So thanks so much, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and check out Ipsy.com if you are so inclined. Bye-bye.